But for those owners of the older Winix models, know that you still have a great value air purifier and you will still be able to get OEM filters for the next 7 years. A few days after publishing our review, the Winix 5510, I started hearing rumours that the older Winix 5500 was being discontinued. As our 5510 review recommended that people stick with the older model, we had to confirm if these rumours were true with Winix. In an email exchange, Winix confirmed that the Winix 5500 and the 5300 have been discontinued in favour of the newer Winix 5510 and the 5520. We followed up by asking for clarification regarding the locations where these models would be discontinued, and Winix confirmed they are both currently discontinued in the US and soon will be discontinued in Canada as well once the current inventory runs out. Now, since our video review, the price of the Winix 5510 has dropped significantly from $249.99 to $179.99 at the time of this video. At $179.99, the 5510 is cheaper than similar performing air purifiers such as the Smart Air SA600 and the Coway Air Mega 250S. So this lower price does make it easier to recommend the newer Winix model. But be aware that the Winix 5510 is louder than other similar performing air purifiers when running at their top speed. So if you are looking for a quiet air purifier, then check out the PC-powered Air Fanta 3 Pro or the Smart Levoit Vital 200S and the non-smart SA600 from Smart Air. For owners of the original Winix 5500 and the Winix 5300, we also received confirmation from Winix that they will continue to provide filter support until 2032, which is good to hear. Also, if you are considering switching to the 5510 or the 5520, be aware that these new models use a different type of filter, Type Q, which is smaller than the filter used in the older series, the Type A and the Type H. The Winix 5500 has been one of my top recommendations since I started House Fresh in 2020, so it's not great feeling to say goodbye to it. However, it has been 10 years since the Winix 5500 was released, so I can understand why Winix felt that it was now time for a refresh. The new models are smaller, lighter and more stylish compared to the older models. Also, both the 5510 and the 5520 offer app support, which is something that was very much lacking in the older Winix models. And the app itself has a clean UX with intuitive controls and no intrusive ads. But for those owners of the older Winix models, know that you still have a great value air purifier and you will still be able to get OEM filters for the next 7 years. But what do you think about the discontinuation of the Winix 5500? Let me know in the comments and I will see you all in the next video.